killer fish. Where'd Circus go?
I'm on height. No. I'm
padding on height. I'm padding on height.
No, I shot out. I shot height out. I'm getting it.
Go. I don't even know what to call you. Say like,
Step on the scene, they are running high. That's cause we all got the tiger pride. Nigga DM me just wanting to be, but I got bigger fish to fry. That nigga ask what I think of him.
I opened the chest.
These niggas like I'm playing Sam. I got new Fortunatos, a luxury rim. And her brand new nigga was the bottom, the bin. When I caught him lacking, stomped him out with the Tim. That nigga look fluid as her or him. I'm getting some clout, had to change her demeanor. Saw your girl getting pile drive, done a lot since I haven't seen her. You know, since that day it's been cold. Sparking it up in the backseat. She wanna run it up, so I had to run the lap on her like a track. Dunking on these niggas like an athlete. I'm hoping so pass me.
I'm dead.
They trying to target.
Oh my god.
Fish they getting fried on the spot. How much money you got? A lot. Yeah, no 21. Gang. They know I'm gon' beat them. Flip them up and heat them. Blow hotter than the sun. I remember I was younger, life I thought would be straight. But I'm only getting on the whole other shit on my plate. Now I stay high like a match. Now I'm finna smoke weed till I pass out. Funny how I'm in my bag now. Steady chasing the green like a cash cow. Me and my gang on a long ride, cause we know life be a water slide. Step on the scene, they are running high. That's cause we all got the tiger pride. Niggas DM me just wanted to be, but I got bigger fish to fry. That nigga ask what I think of him. He a broke boy, exemplified. Playing these niggas like I'm playing Sam. I got new Fortunatos, a luxury rim. And her brand new nigga was the bottom of the bin. When I caught him lacking, stomped him out with the Tim. That nigga look fluid as her or him. I'm getting some clout, had to change her demeanor. Saw a girl getting pile drive, done a lot since I haven't seen her.
My